My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows by the site file2wonder.com. File2wonder.com is a dangerous site that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to make you download some file which is actually malicious, and because of that, your browser may be infected with some potentially unwanted software, with unwanted browser extensions, with adware, with browser hijackers, or even your entire computer may be infected with malware because of these file2wonder.com pop-ups. So be very careful, do not interact with them. Don't install whatever these pop-ups promote. Just leave this deceptive page. Now, I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So, through this official website, download Combo Cleaner, install it, and start investigating the computer with its help.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.